Hi, we're here. I would like one of the honey seared chicken with cauliflower rice, Thai dynamite, tofu with noodles. And I would like to use the BOGO special for today. I'm also going to be paying with my Capital One Saver card, which gives me 4% cash back on all dining. And if you want a $150 cash back bonus for just signing up, click the link below.
Don't like anything to drink with that?
Just water. Here's the orange chicken noodles, the tofu noodles. I found the all-you-can-eat fortune cookie buffet. Come to Pei Wei and you can have as many as you want. You can have as many fortunes as you want here. Wow, that was surprisingly hard to open. It took some muscle. The simple answer is to act.
Ginger.
Ginger? No, what does it say?
2 small jumps are sometimes better than 1 big leap.
Oh, so wild. I love it. Thank you so much. The food was great.
Thank you.
What's your fortune mark? Hey Sharon, what did you think about your entree at Pei Wei?
The tofu's pretty good.
Yeah, I tried it. It was better than chicken. It was grilled and sauteed to perfection. I happen to like the cauliflower rice as well. The cauliflower rice was perfectly like sauteed and prepared, and yeah, everything was pretty good there. So it's one of my favorite Chinese places now, and I think we're gonna go there more often. It's a mental health charity event. It's a big event full of food, raffle prizes, including AirPods. We're gonna win some AirPods and food and drinks, t-shirts, exercise, education about mental health. Here we go. So why are you so excited about Stressful?
This is how you make me feel.
Today we're trying the vegan egg and the soy chorizo from Trader Joe's. The guy at Trader Joe's recommended this and said it's the absolute best vegan meat, so we thought we'd give it a try. We're reviewing it for you guys today on Health and Wealth Hacks. I've oiled up the saucepan. It's preheated. Now I'm gonna put in the sausage. Comes out like this. Now we're gonna cut this open. It looks like it comes in a plastic encasement. You have to actually cut it open. This is how you open. Well, look, it comes apart like a... It's very brittle, actually. It looks like a sausage, but once you take the encasement off, it's very brittle and falls apart. How do we open this? This is weird. It's a vegan egg, but it's in a pouch. I didn't expect that at all. I didn't expect it to be a powder. In a medium bowl, whisk together a vegan egg powder, ice cold almond or soy milk, sea salt, cinnamon, apple spice, cardamom.
This is for French toast.
Oh, that's why. I was wondering why it was cinnamon. Level teaspoon of vegan egg, 1/2 cup of ice cold water, whisk vigorously, 1 equals 1 egg. Let's put this in a measuring. This is gonna make a lot of egg then. I can eat like a dozen eggs in one sitting, you guys. If you guys wanna see me make a video of me eating a dozen eggs at once, comment below. We'll do like a how many eggs can you eat challenge with me and Sharon.
That's gross. I will not eat a regular egg.
What if they paid you for it?
They'll just do anything for $1, huh?
Pretty much. Okay, here's...
So you basically need like 5 cups of cold water for this?
Yes, so. A lot of egg. We shouldn't have put all that. I didn't expect it to be like that. I thought I was gonna make only like 4 eggs because it's the size of 4 eggs. 1 egg. That means this is gonna make like 24 eggs.
No, it makes 12 eggs. I read it.
Damn, you guys, we're making the equivalent of 12 eggs in vegan egg batter.
is not vegan, by the way. Fake vegan here. Cut.
Alright guys, this is our first time trying the soy chorizo and vegan egg at Trader Joe's.
By the way, it took an hour to make.
So to make 12 eggs, you have to stand for an hour stirring it. We also mixed it with some zucchini and spices. And Sharon's also having the pupusas.
These are from Sprouts.
Also having spanakopita at Trader Joe's with the same vegan egg and sausage chorizo with zucchini. Beautiful.
Kind of gross.
Really?
Because it feels like real egg.
Out of 5 stars, what do you give this product?
I give it 5 stars. It's doing its job.
I think this makes a great substitute for eggs, and it tastes good. It tastes almost as flavorful as real eggs, not as flavorful. It's a little bit more subtle flavor. It's good. Like if you're healthy and you want to eat vegan, this is definitely a good option. I highly recommend Trader Joe's vegan egg.